Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make trail mix. To begin, select your base ingredients. Choose about 1 cup of your favorite nuts, such as crunchy almonds or creamy cashews. Next, add approximately half a cup of seeds, like pumpkin or sunflower, for an extra textural layer. These foundational ingredients provide essential energy and a satisfying crunch, making your mix both tasty and nutritious from the very start. Now, let's talk about creating amazing flavor combinations. A good rule of thumb is to use a 2-to-1 ratio of nuts and seeds to dried fruit. This ensures a balanced mix of textures and tastes. Don't be afraid to mix sweet and savory elements, perhaps adding a dash of cinnamon or a tiny pinch of sea salt. These small additions can truly elevate your trail mix, making each bite an exciting experience. Once your delicious trail mix is ready, proper storage is key to keeping it fresh. Always store your homemade mix in an airtight container to prevent staleness. Keep it in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, like a pantry or cupboard. When stored correctly, your trail mix can remain fresh for several weeks. If you've included ingredients like chocolate, refrigeration can help maintain its quality even longer. The beauty of making your own trail mix is the endless customization. Feel free to adjust ingredients to fit any dietary needs or personal preferences. For an even richer taste, consider lightly roasting your nuts and seeds before adding them. Just remember to avoid ingredients that might melt or spoil quickly, especially if you're taking it on the go. Make a generous batch to enjoy convenient, healthy snacking all week long.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.